In this video we are going to show you how to watch an item on eBay and then how you can go back to it in the future. First, open up your eBay app. Then in the search bar look up the item that you are looking for. Once you have found the item you would like to watch, you can click on the heart on the right side of the page. When the heart turns blue, this means it has added it to your watch list. Another way is if you go into the item you want to watch, underneath Buy It Now and Add to Basket, it will have the option to watch this item. The heart will turn blue and it will say Added to Watch List. How to find your watch list. If you go to My eBay and underneath Messages tap on Watch List, this will then show you everything you have watched if it is still available.